Hello guys, today we will be replacing mi9t's back cover. To be honest with you, the design of mi9t's back cover is a little bit problematic, where it's slippery and it falls from hand easily. So the first step is to melt the glue which is holding the phone's body and the back cover. So once the glue has melted, you can use a thin object to pry off the back cover from the phone's chassis. Once you have removed the back cover, you can buy the back cover from the internet that comes with the glue. Remove whatever traces of old glue that is on the phone. The rest of the process is pretty much self-explanatory. Hold the cover with some rubber band until the glue cures.